Hi guys, if you're in the UK right now, you know how expensive everything feels, right from the rent, the bills, even a quick Tesco run is quite expensive. Saving £10,000 might sound crazy, but I promise it's possible. I've done it myself, and today I will show you how you can do it too, step by step, without giving up things you really enjoy. And before we dive into details of today's video, kindly comment if you had £10,000 saved today, what would you use it for? A house deposit, paying off your debt, or maybe embarking on a dream trip? Just to emphasize, it's important to give your money a mission. That is what keeps you motivated. Before we get tactical, let's talk mindset. Saving of money isn't punishment, it's simply power. You are not depriving yourself, but bringing freedom. Every fund saved is a future peace of mind. Over 11 million people in the UK have less than £100 in savings. That is not just number, that is stress. When I first started saving, I was left with barely £200 at the end of each month. My first big win was cutting out on unnecessary spending, such as Deliveroo and flipping old clothes on unused item on Vinted, eBay. That alone helped me save about £1,000 in just few months. And that small win gave me confidence and keeps me moving. And stick around because next I'm going to break down how £1,000 looked when you spread it over days, weeks, and months. It's more doable than it sounds. I'll start by sharing how saving £10,000 feels possible. I will start by dividing £10,000 into 12, which is 12 months, and here you'll be looking at £833 per month. And for this amount, you can decide to spread it over a period of, let's say, 52 weeks, and here we're looking at £192 per week. Or you can break it down to £27 per day. So when you think of it daily, it is less overwhelming. When you break it down daily, it is less overwhelming. It's a simple 12-month roadmap that you could explore. One is trying to save, let's say, £200 per month by cutting on non-essential spends or costs. Start a side hustle, and from side hustle raise around, let's say, £300 per month. And if you get a salary raise or bonuses over the year, you're already hitting your 10,000 mark. That is really simple and easy to do. It just entails you being disciplined, consistent, and intentional about it. And don't worry if you are not on a high salary. It's not about a great leaps, but it's all about consistent small win. No matter your situation, just start with what works for you. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to cut expenses without feeling like you're giving up everything. So I'll quickly share cut and replace expenses. This is not about cutting everything, it's about swiping smartly. And here you can look at canceling unused subscription, and there are apps out there that can help you flag such subscription. We have the Snoop, we have the Emma applications. You can also switch to shopping in a very budget-friendly grocery stores or supermarkets. You can explore Aldi, Lidl. You can also use cashback applications like Top Cashback, Airtime Reward, and etc. And through all this, you can actually cut and save so much. Other areas you can save costs is Too Good to Go. This gives you good discounts for meal. Um, Even swiping Deliveroo for meal prepping at least 3 times in a week can save you more than £60. I used to spend about £3 to £4 per day on coffee. Now I brew them at home and save about £100 per month. If you explore all these options, it will go a long way to help boost your savings drastically. Realistically, there's a limit to which you can cut costs, and that is why boosting your income is the real accelerator of your savings or financial growth. And this is what I'll be covering in the next part of this video. So please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, comment, and share this post. Like I shared earlier, cutting costs helps, but boosting income is the game changer. And here you can explore diverse way to boost your income. One is freelancing. You can do freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, people for hours, and through this platform, you make extra gig, extra money that would support your income at the end of this month and drastically boost your savings. You could also look at selling of clothes on Vinted, especially clothes that you no longer use. There are options where you can explore tutoring online. We have My Tutor or Super Pro. You can use these apps to tutor and make some extra side money in addition to your fixed income at the end of each month. Um, let's kind of do a 30-day hustle sprint. Pick one of these gig, track what you can earn at the end of this month, looking at all these options, and with that, you will see that your saving rate will drastically increase or improve. So I challenge you to try this just for 1 month. Drop am in the comment if you're joining the £10,000 challenge. Let's keep each other accountable and don't go anywhere because we'll talk about the psychology of why we overspend and how to hack your brain so saving feels easy and effortless. So, talking about the psychology of spending, most overspending comes down to dopamine hit, boredom, or social pressure. The fix to this is simple: delay every non essential purchase for at least 24 hours, move an item to your wish list, unsubscribe from marketing emails. These emails will just come with certain, oh, we are currently doing 30% discount with code and all, and you'll be tempted to buy things that you really do not need. Remove your card from shopping apps, and this trick may sound very tiny or little, but it can stop impulse buy before they happen. And in just a moment, I'm going to share secrets that make savings automatic even though you are tempted to spend. Here's a simple secret: automate your savings by setting up an automatic transfer on each payday. You can use apps such as the Monzopod, the Stanley Space, or Plume Roundup features. Hide savings in another account so you are not tempted to touch it or use it. And most importantly, you have to treat your savings like a bill. So it goes out first, and you don't really have any doubt, any question, any recourse to touching that money. With that, automatically, you are saving for the future. Aside the applications I mentioned, you could go online, explore other applications that can make savings easier for you and can fit your context or situation. The truth is, savings can be emotional. You need wins along the way. So it's better to use visual trackers or try the 100 envelope challenge. Celebrate your milestones, even if it's 1,000, 5,000, 10K. You could also join online saving challenges. Also, subscribe to this channel as I'm going to be sharing other practical tips to saving money and financial freedom. And remember, £10,000 isn't just a number, it could be the key to your first home, your freedom to debt, or that life changing trip you've always wanted. Saving £10,000 isn't just a dream, it's a plan. So you have to start small, stay consistent, automate everything. Kindly drop your saving goals in the comment and let's support each other. If this video gives you new idea, kindly hit the subscribe button, comment and share. And thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one.